Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the browser you use most. This example uses Chrome, but the steps are similar elsewhere. Once done, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right and select Settings, then navigate to Privacy or Site Settings. You want to find cookies or clear browsing data now. This is the control center for stored site data. Make sure your phone is unlocked and connected to power if it's low, because clearing data can take a moment on older devices. You now decide what to remove and why. Select Clear Browsing Data and focus on cookies and site data to remove tracking and login tokens. Once there, set the time range to all time if you want a complete wipe, or choose a shorter window to keep recent data. Make sure to uncheck saved passwords or autofill form data if you want to preserve logins, otherwise you'll sign out of sites. When ready, tap Clear Data to start the deletion process. You finish by confirming the action. Tap Clear or Clear Data and wait until the browser reports completion. Once done, make sure to reopen a few sites and sign back in where necessary. Cookies removal will log you out of accounts. If pages still act oddly, reboot your phone to flush temporary caches or go to Android Settings, Apps, choose the browser, and clear its cache as a deeper reset. If problems persist, check for browser updates and repeat the clear process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.